Hi everybody, my name is Dibya Prakash. I am from Baleshwar, Odisha. I have graduated from Baleshwar College of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science Engineering. I have joined JSpiders Hebbal on the month of March 2023 as an incubation student. Here I have learned Java full stack. My Java was taken by Accessor, SQL was taken by Chandralekhana, and HTML6 JavaScript double web technology was taken by Siddharth. Here I got education like from scratch. For it is very beginner friendly and slow by slow it goes up to advanced level. All the HRs are also very supportive. It's been 5 months of journey and I have given several opportunities. I have added 8 requirements. In those 8 requirements, I got 2 job offer letter. In those job offer letter, I chose one job that is Mobilium company with a package of 7.5 LPA. And I would like to thank JSpiders for all the opportunities and education they provided me. And I would recommend anyone who is seeing this, if you want a job in IT sector and you have no knowledge of anything about IT industry like Java or anything, you can come to JSpiders Hebbal. Here we get Java full stack, Python full stack, and for testing also it is there. So you can learn and you can get a job as soon as possible.